Let's talk about how we're going to keep this floor warm in the winter and cooler in the summer. This is going to get insulated by closed cell spray foam. After all this flooring is done, they're going to have a contractor come in and spray into the underside here, just shy of the underside of this channeling. And then after that, they will be attaching pretty thin sheet steel to the underside of these metal joists to just keep rodents and insects from wanting to burrow in there. If you weren't going to do spray foam, I would probably suggest putting on the metal that's going to go on the underside first, and then if you're doing bat insulation, going ahead and dropping that in place before putting this subfloor down. It's just going to be a lot easier than trying to get it up in there from underneath and have it stay in place while you get that sheet steel up. But the spray foam is going to stick in here really well. No concern about it dropping out. So for this situation, that's the route they're going, and it works totally fine.